How can you start making money from YouTube even before hitting 1,000 subscribers and getting monetized? Is it possible to earn a steady income with just a small audience? The answer is yes, and it's all thanks to affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my plan to make my first £100 from affiliate income before ad revenue ever kicks in. No hype, no spam, just a simple, proven strategy that you can use to start earning right now, no matter where you are in your YouTube journey. Let's get started. Why affiliate marketing is my first income stream. Affiliate marketing is often regarded as one of the fastest and most accessible ways to make money online, especially for YouTubers who are just starting out. One of the biggest hurdles for new creators is reaching 1,000 subscribers before monetization can kick in. But with affiliate marketing, you don't have to wait for those 1,000 subscribers to start earning. In fact, you don't even need to be monetized through YouTube ads to start seeing affiliate income roll in. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's performance-based, meaning you earn a commission every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. It's simple. If someone sees value in the product or service you recommend, they're likely to follow through with a purchase, and you earn a commission for that. Unlike ad revenue, which often requires a large audience to see a meaningful payout, affiliate marketing allows you to start earning with a smaller, more engaged audience. Another major benefit of affiliate marketing is its scalability. As your channel grows, so does your potential for earning. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you have to include affiliate links in your videos. With each new video, your chances of getting more clicks increase, leading to a snowball effect of earnings as your channel attracts more views. Affiliate marketing also provides flexibility. You don't have to promote every product under the sun to make money. Instead, you can focus on tools and services that genuinely align with your content and audience. When done right, affiliate marketing isn't about being pushy or overly salesy. It's about recommending tools that truly provide value to your viewers. So if you're a new YouTuber and don't want to wait for monetization to start earning, affiliate marketing is a great first step. With the right strategy, you can start making money immediately, even with a smaller audience. My £100 affiliate strategy, step by step. Now, let's dive into the exact strategy I'm using to make my first £100 from affiliate marketing. I'm going to walk you through each step, starting from choosing the right affiliate programs to tracking my performance and improving over time. Step 1. Choosing the right affiliate programs. The first and most important step is choosing affiliate programs that make sense for your audience. I don't promote just anything. I've selected 3 affiliate programs that align perfectly with my content and audience. Here are the 3 tools I'm focusing on. Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where people can outsource services like video editing, voiceovers, graphic design, and much more. As a YouTube creator, I often talk about the tools and services I use to create my videos, and Fiverr is a big part of that process. I know that many of my viewers are aspiring YouTubers or freelancers, making Fiverr the perfect fit for them. Fiverr pays up to £40 per referral, so it's a lucrative option. Tube mastery and monetization. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to grow a YouTube channel and start earning money online. It's the course that helped me get started, and it's directly relevant to my audience of budding YouTubers. The affiliate commission for Tube Mastery is high, and it's a product I'm genuinely excited to promote because it aligns so well with my content and audience. The Silver Method. While this one isn't directly related to making money, it's all about mindset and personal growth, which is crucial for anyone pursuing a business or creative venture. The Silver Method helps you stay focused, motivated, and mentally strong as you work toward your goals. This program has helped me a lot personally, so I'm confident it'll help others too. Plus, it has an affiliate program that pays for sign-ups. Step 2. Creating videos that naturally lead to clicks. Now that I've chosen my affiliate programs, it's time to focus on content. The key here is creating videos that provide real value to your audience while seamlessly introducing your affiliate links. I'm not creating sales videos. Instead, I focus on creating helpful tutorials, behind-the-scenes content, and honest product reviews. These types of videos allow me to link to the tools I'm using without being overly promotional. The goal is to help my audience while providing a natural opportunity to click on my affiliate links. Step 3. Writing descriptions that convert. The video description is crucial for converting viewers into affiliate sales. I make sure to clearly explain what each affiliate link is for, keeping it short but impactful. By placing the most valuable link at the top and reinforcing it in the pinned comment, I maximize the chances of people clicking through. The real work. Programming yourself not to quit. One of the biggest challenges that people face when it comes to affiliate marketing and any form of entrepreneurship is the mental game. It's easy to get excited at the beginning, but the real work comes in staying consistent when you don't see immediate results. Most people quit too soon because they start doubting themselves or feel discouraged after a few failed attempts. But let's be clear, success doesn't happen overnight. The truth is, your biggest enemy is not your competition or lack of resources, it's your own mindset. If you can't stay focused, positive, and driven, you'll give up before you ever reach your goals. This is why programming your mind for success is such a crucial part of the journey. This is where the silver method comes in. It's not just about having the right tactics, it's about having the right mindset. The silver method helps you reprogram your subconscious mind to stay aligned with your goals. It teaches you how to visualize success, remain calm under pressure, and cultivate the mental discipline you need to keep going, even when the results aren't showing up right away. Visualization and mental rehearsal are essential tools. Instead of letting negative thoughts control your actions, you actively train your mind to see success before it happens. This mental shift changes how you approach your work and helps you stay focused on the bigger picture, especially when faced with setbacks. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing strategy isn't just about the external steps you take. It's about programming yourself not to quit. By working on your mindset, you'll make sure that no matter what obstacles you face, you'll be equipped to push through them and keep moving forward. In the next video, I'll share more on the practical steps of how to create valuable content that will naturally attract your audience and how to turn that engagement into affiliate sales. Affiliate marketing. What not to do. While affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money, many beginners make a lot of mistakes that actually hurt their chances of success. One of the biggest mistakes is spamming links everywhere. When you flood your videos with affiliate links, it can come across as desperate, and viewers are likely to ignore them altogether. Another mistake beginners make is promoting products they don't actually use or believe in. This is a huge red flag for your audience. If you're recommending tools you've never used or don't genuinely like, people will see through it. Trust is key in affiliate marketing, and promoting bad products can destroy that trust. I've also seen many creators make the mistake of being too pushy with their affiliate links. If your content doesn't add real value, no amount of affiliate links is going to make up for it. The goal is to provide helpful, informative content that naturally includes affiliate links. By doing this, your audience will feel like they're getting value, even if they don't click on your link. To avoid these pitfalls, I stick to the following principles. Only promote tools I actually use and believe in. If I recommend a product, it's because I genuinely believe it will help my viewers. Don't overload my content with affiliate links. I only include links when it makes sense and adds value to the content. Always provide value first. If I'm helping my audience, the affiliate links are just a bonus. The real goal is to help people, and if they click on my link because they found my video helpful, that's a win. By staying authentic and focused on providing value, I can build trust with my audience and earn money through affiliate marketing without sounding like I'm just trying to sell something. Wrap up plus teaser for video 6. To sum up, affiliate marketing is a powerful and accessible way to start earning money from YouTube, even if you haven't reached 1,000 subscribers or gained monetization yet. I've shared my step-by-step strategy for making my first £100, and it's all about focusing on valuable affiliate programs, creating content that naturally promotes those products, and cultivating a mindset that helps you stay consistent through the ups and downs. The key takeaways are simple. Choose products that resonate with your audience, focus on providing genuine value in your videos, and stay patient. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, the rewards start to build up. Affiliate marketing allows you to generate income early on, without having to wait for YouTube ad revenue to kick in. If you're looking to make the most out of affiliate marketing, remember that it's not just about the money, it's about building trust and providing something of value to your audience. When you focus on helping people and promoting products you believe in, the income will follow. And in the next video, we'll dive into how I structure my YouTube videos to rank higher in search, even when starting with a small audience. I'll show you the secrets behind optimizing your content to boost visibility and attract more clicks to your affiliate links. Make sure to subscribe to Income Express 360 to catch that video. Don't miss out on these game-changing strategies to grow your channel and start earning. See you in the next one.